Hola, welcome to the kitchen of Milz with Milz. In this episode I am going to make tacos on fried bread. I have all the ingredients here. I've prepared everything, cut up all the veggies, and I have it set up. We are going to cook our fried bread and the mince, and then we will assemble our tacos. Let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for our tacos on fried bread. I have minced garlic, chopped white onions, 500 grams of pork mince, burrito flavoring or taco seasoning if you have. I don't have taco seasoning, so I'm using burrito seasoning. Mexican cheese mix, sour cream, baked beans, corn, red beans, kidney beans, tomato paste, and our veggies of lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber. On the side here I have plain flour and Greek yogurt that I'll be using for our bread mix. Everything will be available in the description in terms of measurements, but here it is. First of all, I am going to mix about a cup of Greek yogurt, plain. I have about 2 cups of all-purpose flour in the bowl, and I will mix up our flour and the yogurt, and I'm going to go with my hands and mix our dough well. Feel free to add a little bit of warm water if you need to. Cover your dough and let it sit for about half an hour to an hour while you're preparing your mince. Okay, we're going to add our oil. Add half of our garlic. Add our onions. Adding our pork mince. I'm going to add our tomato paste now. And now we're going to start adding our seasoning. Start with about 2 tablespoons first. At this stage I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. this stage I'm going to add the rest of my garlic. Just added more water and a little bit more of the tomato paste. That's about what I would like. I want a little bit of, well, gravy look, kind of, but it's totally up to you if you want to season it with salt and pepper if you need. Bread. This is our final cooking, our tacos on fried bread. So we have our mince, sour cream, cheese, and our platter of different veggies that we will be adding on top. So, you know, you get going, assemble your taco, and I'll get you a plate because you didn't get me one.
So I forgot. Ready? First I want to start, well firstly, I'm going to start off with my mince. It's going to be not much because when you fold it, it's going to be overflowing. So.
I'm not folding mine. You eat it like that.
Oh. Huh?
Yeah, because it's going to crack your bread. Oh, it's up to you, but your bread is going to crack.
Yeah, true. I'll probably eat it like that. So probably start off with the base. Make it as like a pizza or something. So make it like a pizza. Like start off with the, well, normally they start off with the sauce, so start off with the mince. Then after that, add some lettuce.
Oh, this is amazing.
Add some lettuce on it. Put some cucumber, just, and then all you have to do.
I'm going to add cheese.
So you grab 1, 2,
so cheese
and 3.
Ooh, just a little bit of cheese for me. Mix the mince. And I'll add.
Oh, I forgot my cheese. How can I not forget?
Look at mine.
Just sprinkle some cheese.
Can't even talk. I like a lot of beans on my one. Sorry. What else do I? Okay, that one.
Look, that's what you get.
Oh, I've got tomatoes, right?
Well, my one's over the tank, so I'm ready now.
So, you go ahead and taste your food, bro. Taste your taco. You might think you're eating yours big. Ooh. What do you think? Yeah? Sick? Too dangerous?
Beautiful.
For me, I'm going to sprinkle some corn chips on top of mine as well. Oh, this is so sick. Nice. Have a taste of your one. Taste it. Too good, It's really nice. Do a rating now, bro. And then we'll continue on eating.
What's the last rating I gave you?
I'll just give it an honest rating.
No. Was there any salt? And you didn't use salt?
Yeah.
Plus they still have salt in it. So I guess it balances out with the veggies in there. The mince is alright. Cheese is okay. I like it. It's all a 10.
Thank you.
It's all a 10.
It's really nice. I like it.
The big one is the big one.
Well, that's another episode from our kitchen, our Mexican night, having tacos on fried bread. Thank you for watching this episode. Take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the post notification on for more videos. In the meantime, take care and be safe. Hola!